Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Reports online morning update for the 12th of November 2012. US markets put on modest gains on Friday night, capping off a turbulent week that ignited fears over the country's fiscal cliff. Stocks rose as leaders of both US political parties attempted to forge a deal that will avert a mix of spending cuts and tax hikes slated to come into effect simultaneously on January 1st. Despite the fiscal cliff's threat to the US economy, consumer confidence rose to a 5-year high in November amid rising optimism about the prospects for employment. In all, it was a disastrous week for the major US indices, however, which tumbled at least 2% each, making it their third consecutive weekly decline. The equity market gains translated into stronger oil prices. Crude put on 1% as traders speculated rising consumer confidence will support energy demand in the US. In the currency space, the greenback rose for a third session amid mounting concerns over the fiscal cliff. Elsewhere, the euro fell as EU leaders signalled the next tranche of aid to Greece will be pushed back until early December. It was a choppy session for the SPI, which recovered from its lows around 44.50 but was unable to clear the growing resistance towards 44.90. Following Friday night's gains, the Aussie market is tracking for a 5-point start later this morning. In this morning's report, we are neutral in Hong Kong and short biased in Japan, whilst in the Australian equity section we have a long biased commentary on Thorn Group. If we like what we see this morning, we may send an SMS alert with specific trade details. That wraps up the Australian Stock Report morning update. Thank you for listening.